Love and harmony, glow getters. This is Australia of Persuaded Beauty, and I am sharing with you a yoni smudge tutorial for your in home self care ritual. First, you will want to start off with boiling some water. This is my dedicated yoni steam or yoni smudge boiling pot. It is old and it is dedicated to this cause. And each serving that I sell is perfectly proportioned for a one-time use only. So it does not have to be a big pot.
I like to place my herbs in the seat before I add the water. And once you do, you will just take the seed and place it on top of your toilet like so, and wait for the water to boil and then add it. Or if you don't have a yoni seed, you can get you a pot, and like I said, yes, it can be as small or as big as you need it to be, but make sure that it's one that fits in your actual toilet. Okay, so I like to put it position it like kind of where it's like not too much or deeply submerged in the water, because it's going to take away from its power of steam, and I just don't want it all in the water. Afterwards, I do make sure I clean it thoroughly. And like I stated earlier, this is the designated yoni steam pot. So it will stay in an area where, it's away from the normal pots that I cook with. So you can just place it in your toilet like this. Oh, put the seat down and then sit on top, and voila, you have your in-home yoni steam. This is what the steam seat will look like, and this is what it will look like in the pot as well once you add the herbs to it. The most important part I want to point out is to let the steam cool off for some time before you sit on the steam. Okay, you could potentially burn yourself, and depending on how serious the burn is, it will take some time to heal, and it is an unpleasant feeling down there. So just avoid that at all costs and give it some time to cool off as long as you need to. I do also want to point out that you can add essential oils to sweeten the aroma. Some may like the natural smell that it gives, and some may not. That's okay. You can add your choice of essential oils to sprucing it up. Take heed with that. But this is what it would look like. Give it some time to cool off.
Here's
and then hop.
You can listen to music on here of your choice while you're steaming with a thick weighted blanket covering. Girl, you can even crack open that book that you have been waiting to dig into, or that novel that you put down and you forgot to pick back up and forgot what an adventure was all about. Use this time to express that and enjoy that. Or you can simply just zen out. Take this time to go within yourself. Practice mindfulness. Sit still and just listen to what your mind, your body, and your thoughts are sharing with you at this time. This is an ideal practice for that, believe it or not. Be sure that you have a thick or weighted blanket covering the lower half to keep that steam trapped. You can even use this time to hit up that homegirl and talk about things that have been challenging you during the week. It's still a form of releasing, and it is still a form of therapy. So do what works for you, in other words. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. This is my first one. So I have ways to go with learning how to master this particular skill. And I just really wanted to answer your questions. I've been receiving a lot of questions, and I hope that this has given you a picture to an idea. If you have any further questions or concerns, contact me on my website, australiaedinburgh.com. You can actually find all of the information provided for you in the link. And I'm rooting for you, and I want you guys to stay persuaded. Peace.